have brought a recipe of grapes detoxing water in this video. As you know, grapes have delicious flavor. They are a rich source of antioxidants as well. Here you need 1 glass of water, some grapes. You can cut the grapes into small pieces. I didn't cut it. You add these in water and you will need some petals of mint, fresh mint. Here are some petals of fresh mints you will add as well in water. Leave this glass for 2 hours. Then you can start drinking this glass. They may help boost heart health, prevent cancer, manage blood pressure, and protect the eyes, among other benefits. And grapes are a good source of fiber, potassium, and a range of vitamins and other minerals. Keep this drink daily. You can drink this daily, and it's very beneficial, and you will feel a great energy in your body. Keep watching my video. Thanks for watching.